NBCFDC and NSFDC have signed MOA with which bank to implement Vishwa Yojana? Central Bank of India. Which state tourism department has signed MOU with IWAI to promote water tourism? Uttar Pradesh. Who has won UNCTAD Investment Promotion Award for 2020? Invest India. As per World Malaria Report 2020, which state has been top the list in reducing malaria cases in India? Meghalaya. Recently, which cities of Madhya Pradesh are included in UNESCO's World Heritage City list? Gwalior and Orchha. International Anti-Corruption Day is observed on which date? December 9th. The International Anti-Corruption Day is celebrated on which date? December 9th. Which institute has launched new technology to harvest water from air? IIT Guwahati. MOHFW has developed which mobile app for COVID-19 vaccination delivery? CoWIN. Indian Navy has finalized SMASH 2000 anti-drone systems with which country? Israel. Who is the author of book titled Dharma Decoding the Epics for a Meaningful Life? Amish Tripathi. United Nations has approved to mark December 27 as which date? Epidemic Preparedness Day. International Day of Commemoration and Dignity of the Victims of the Crime of Genocide and of the Prevention of this crime is celebrated on which date? December 9th. Central government has initiated how many Khelo India small centers to boost sports in India? $1,000. For Ayush product, which council has been set up by the Government of India? Ayush Export Promotion Council.